Okay guys, so once I've got my set created for my talk show, I'm going to insert some characters. So we go to Insert, Online Pictures again. I'm going to have my host as a horse. And I want a photo of a horse, I want a picture of a horse that has a clear background because otherwise it won't look as good if it's got grass around it and I'll have to clip it. So I'm going to choose something that I think will fit. So I'm going to choose this one at the moment. So we insert it. Now so we go to color and set the transparent color and just click on the white background so that all that background disappears. And so you just see if, I mean, I know you can sit him there, but just have him there at the desk where he'd be the presenter. And I'm going to then add a speech bubble for him. So I'm just going to go to Insert and Shapes, and I'm going to get a little call out here. I'm not going to change the color, but you definitely can change the color. I'm just going to move it over here next to his mouth, and then I'm going to type in hi and welcome to Teens Talk Money. I am your host. Oopsie. And today we will meet Sally. Come on, Sally. So I'm going to then pick myself up another online picture, and Sally happens to be a cat, so I'm going to search for her. Again, because I'm using a character on the background, I want something that's going to have a white background. So this is one that I liked before. So I go color and set transparent color and just click on the background so that becomes opaque. And then I'm going to move her over here and I'm going to put her size at about here, so she can sit up in here. So, yep, once you've done that, you can start the next video. Hold on.